Step 1. Selecting IFC-SG information requirements. In this case, we adopted the IFC-SG Excel mapping file, published by CornetX. Step 2. Creating IFC-SG BSDD. The solution we are using is OpenAEC. With OpenAEC, you can create a BSDD and define custom class and property. By preparing a BSDD, distributing the information that should be attached to BIM data becomes easier. The benefits of BSDD are not only information delivery, but also by using OpenAEC for BSDD, it becomes possible to directly input BSDD information into BIM data. We create a BSDD for two classes door and wall as test cases. After creating the class and property, it is necessary to link the property to the class. Using OpenAEC, you can link the class and property in the BSDD you create not only to those in your organization's dictionary, but also to the class and property in publicly available other BSDD dictionaries. You can confirm that the property defined within the project is linked to the class. The BSDD that you created can be published online by uploading it to the BSDD management site. The uploaded BSDD can be viewed via BSDD web page. Step 3. Creating IDs using BSDD. The solution to be used is OpenAEC. With OpenAEC, you can create IDs and define information requirements tailored to each project's use case. In ISO 19650, IDs corresponds to PIR, IR, and AIR. With IDs, you can clearly define both the applicability and requirements for each specification. With OpenAEC functionality, you can search for the information requirements necessary for your project based on the information provided in the published BSDD, and smoothly set up the IDs requirements. It is possible to search for BSDD defined within your organization or published, and add classification, property, and material. Select the property to add. The property selected from the BSDD was added all at once. For this case, we created requirements for door and wall. Step 4. IFC production. Based on IFC-SG, we use OpenAEC for BSDD and desktop. We adopt Revit as BIM authoring tool and perform modeling with it. We assign IFC-SG properties using OpenAEC for BSDD. First, we configure the BSDD dictionary to be used in the project. Next, select the objects to which property information will be assigned. In addition to manual selection, batch selection by category is also available. A tree view of the classes registered in the BSDD is displayed on the left side. By utilizing the information from the BSDD, shared parameter file can be automatically generated. Parameter files can be opened at any time. Next, configure the attributes of the IFC classes. The property set and property list can be obtained, and the property value is automatically obtained from allowed values in BSDD, and the choices are displayed. Within the tree view, you can display the URL for the selected item, allowing you to confirm the BSDD's content in your browser. Save the shared parameter file. After saving, you can confirm that the information has been successfully stored in the file. You can confirm that the property set file has been automatically generated. When you add a property, you can confirm that the custom property is successfully applied to the door. Export setting automatically generates the settings for IFC property generation. The IFC export configuration JSON is auto-generated. Export the IFC data. In the output settings, set the configuration file generated earlier and specify the IFC version. When you check the Property Sets tab, you'll see that the property set file is correctly set, and classification has been applied. By using OpenAEC for BSDD, the tedious process of generating setting files is fully automated. However, Revit exported IFC classification settings don't comply with BSDD regulations. The process is simple. Just select and load the IFC data you want to modify, and you can adjust the IFC classification within the IFC. Confirm IFC-SG in OpenAEC for desktop. When you import the created IFC into OpenAEC for desktop, you can check its hierarchy, geometry, and classification. When viewing the classification, you can confirm that the BSDD information configured using OpenAEC for BSDD has been applied. You can confirm more information about BSDD. Classification is displayed in a hierarchical structure, and under the dictionary, the classifications for door and wall can be confirmed. Step 5. Automation review of IFC-SG data. The solution for reviewing IFC data is OpenAEC. On the review screen, you can view a 3D display of the target BIM data along with the IDS file. Press the Run button to start the review. Execution reveals pass counts for each specification and requirement. The results of the review for each specification are also displayed, allowing you to check in detail whether the IFC data meets your information requirements. Step 6. Data operations. The solution for data operation is OpenAEC. With OpenAEC, you can connect the data you want to manage and operate to a CDE, such as ACC, enabling centralized management. Additionally, IFC data can be delivered to a common data environment shared with your customers. It can be confirmed that it has been successfully uploaded to the CDE service. Our OpenAEC series covers the entire openBIM workflow, enhancing the productivity of your BIM implementation and enabling building permit procedure using BIM data with accurate information. Get started with openBIM Journey by OpenAEC series today.